humble and soothing. Yes. Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. We say thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for me. It's a beautiful day, yeah. And hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It depends with the place you're watching me from, or with the time that you'll be watching this video. And thank you so much for each and every person returning back to watch my previous videos and each and every video over here. I give much thanks to you, and of course we give much thanks to Almighty God for this beautiful day, yeah. And the sun kiss. Thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for resting. It's a beautiful day, yeah. Yeah, so guys, on today's video I want to be taking you around the village. And before that, have you subscribed? If you haven't, please do so and show so much love on this area to CJ, Claude, Joseph over here. And I give much thanks to you all, guys, because today is another good day. Because people have been asking, why you not, I saw you starting something of somewhere down here in the village, but you haven't been going there. What might be the reason? Did you do what you call like had a collusion, eh? Did you have a mistake with the guy, or do you have been doing something? But all in all, I've been so busy since I came back from Mombasa. That is the second capital city actually in Kenya. That is at the coastal part of Kenya. So I decided to come back in the village, groom my home a little bit, move around, see how stuff has been going all the way from this end to other end. And you can see now our home looks clean. Our home looks really clean. Because let me tell you one thing, guys, when we were starting was the most, construction when you are starting is the most hectic time. You might even go mad, you might go wild, because you are like, I have nobody who's helping me. But for now, when it reaches a point like plastering, roofing, you just go to check, oh, this is this, but today I'll be sharing with you one of the best actually construction site over here in our village, that we can say the real definition from grass to grace. And we thank Almighty God for this great. You have to congratulate others until it's your time. For those who know English, they always say clap for others until it's your time. Because if you won't clap now, if you won't applaud people now, it will reach a point where also you'll be at the same situation and you'll be surprised, like, hey, nobody's applauding me also for maybe for this what I'm doing, no matter how big or how small it is, but it is in a unique way. Why is nobody just even trying to applaud me? So you try to get confused. So like now you can check on our beautiful homestead over here. Is it a homestead? What's the difference between a homestead, and yeah, something like that? A homestead. Sometimes I might be confusing between a home and a homestead. So our homestead, or our home, because I'm regarding, hey, you picked an avocado, take it out from the grass. Bumble. This dog doesn't even understand English. That's the crazy thing of village dogs. Hey, pick this, take it inside, back. Take this. Yes, pick it. Okay, go. No, don't eat it here. Look, pick it and move. Pick your avocado and move. Oh my God, it's a crazy dog. Sorry guys, it's a village dog. Hey, pick your avocado and move. No, don't lick my fingers. Yeah, pick your avocado and move. Way, Bamoy, way. Bumble. Yeah, move. Oh, sit down. Hurry. Now when you tell it to move, it sits down completely. That's the most craziest thing. Yeah, go. Okay, don't come back, and don't just litter it around. That's the crazy thing with village dogs. They don't even understand English. They just try to connect. If you tell it tacho, it will come. Maraba, seka, our dogs here in the village, if you want it to become wild, a little bit wild, when it doesn't want to see people, You tell it Seka, Seka, Seka. It runs. You look. When you tell it Seka, it comes very fast. Huh? Seka means catch it. So if you tell it catch, it won't come. This one understands. Huh? It understands the assignment. So they catch. It doesn't understand. It says Seka. Look, now it's just attentive. Huh? It looks attentive. Where's that thing that I've been told to catch? Look. Crazy village dog. Let me know at the comment section, guys. How do you train your dogs, or your puppy, or maybe, because sometimes if you call a dog, and they always say give a dog a bad name and hang it. But with us here, we always give dogs like Bosco, Bumble. No, Bumble is just a little advanced name. We give it Bosco. If we say Bosco is a dog, Tusker, Simba. Remind me, guys. Remind me there. Remind me for the Kenyans watching. Remind me. There's a certain name. There's a certain name that we always call dogs. From Bosco, which is the popular, Tusker, Simba. Which one again? At the comment section down below. I think I'll just find it down there. And also let me know at the comment section, how do you name your dog? They always say give a dog a bad name and hang it, but with us here we keep them. We don't hang them, we keep them. So here, and also let me take you around our crops that we planted the other day. It has been like 2 months or 3 months down the line, and it was ready for harvest, but for now we ate it when we went to Mombasa. We left it for our parents, and now it's growing old. These are some of the spiderweb and the black nightshade. So we planted them here the other time with Min Howie. Black nightshade and spider plant. So some spider plants have just grown old, and this is how you see it's just even ready to take another seeds. I think it's seedless right now because now they're growing dry, and but the nightshade, they're really doing good. And also the kales that you saw the other time when I was really watering them over here, they have really done great. Very, very, very nice all the way. This is how we keep some spider webs. I've just that's the crazy thing being in the village with spider webs. So look, they're really doing great. This is how we keep our bananas actually, so that they cannot fall. So we put this as a support so that they cannot fall, because they are leaning towards this side. Until the banana become mature, we can go with it. So you see, and mostly with these kales are not planted using what we call like they're not planted using any kind of fertilizer, but manure, because we have goats here. So the moment we sweep there, we come, we pour all around here, and that's how you see the kales are growing healthy with very beautiful and nice what we call like leaves. So we eat the leaves, kales leaves look like this. We put here manure. There's another manure here, or goat's poo. So yeah, guys, let me try to do some little work here, then I'll be taking you to one of our constructions. We say our construction, so that we can check and see how everything is all around. So pay much attention, subscribe, sit here, don't go anywhere. Just grab a cold glass of juice or water with popcorns, sit down, relax, and you really enjoy these amazing vlogs from this beautiful village here in Kenya, Africa. And things are really nice, great, amazing. Thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for it's a beautiful day. Yeah. I think the one who sang this song is an Adventist, I guess so. All right, see you there, guys. Oh my God.
Mana? Atuna makani.
Yeah, I told there's time for everything, so we're just rushing to come. We have what we call like hard brush, called wire brush, so that we can do what we call like do some scrubbing with the what we call like masons. So I'm taking you to the what we call like to the construction site, and I'm having this guy. He's a very guy doing what we call like in terms of wardrobes and doors. Okay, okay, let's rush, guys. Okay. Yeah, you know, we just arrived here, and actually it's lunchtime, because in the morning you not get time just to fill in mostly. And yeah, so welcome, guys. Welcome one, welcome all. It has been a long time actually since you saw me at this construction site or at this place. Maybe you have been seeing me on other people's video, or you have been checking me actually on maybe other people's video, because I'm always here. It's only that sometimes I've been always being busy on the other end, working 1 2 3, dealing with the other stuffs, because it can't be every single day doing doing other side, because for now the work is not as hectic as the first place. You know, the first place used to be very hectic when you're doing some construction actually, because you need to rush for materials. Sometimes what we call like the person who is supplying for you materials is rushing up and down, is telling you, no, you know what, today I'm bringing you material, but you end up receiving, if you are to take maybe 2 trucks of sand, you end up having 1. So that was the hectic moment. So we used to just rush. You could go on your own to go and look for what you call like construction materials. So for now, you see, even the other sand that was here, we were expecting maybe for it to just maybe finish, but we see also it won't finish. We'll need more like 2 or 3 trucks of sand actually, so that we can finish. And also we added what we call like bricks. There's a difference between these bricks, blocks, and stones. So these ones are good and cheap if you buy them, or if you make them on your own. They are cheap and easily available. These ones, you know, one advantage between these and the other ones that I was showing you. Oh, let me go the other side so that I can show you what's happening on this other end. Because one thing is, mostly people sometimes they always ask like, what's the difference between a block, a stone block, and a brick? Because we have cement blocks and we have these machine cut stones. So this kind of machine cut stones are more way best. We can say more way best, because also we have another stones, because these ones are naturally machine cut. We also have pure stones, pure stones, like stones, as we say stones. We have brown stones, we have black stones, we have yellow stones, but we prefer these because they were actually ranging on the budget of making blocks. So, and also these ones are really okay. You know, there's this one thing that mostly people don't understand in construction. I'm not what we call like I'm not an engineer, but sometimes making what you call like logic of stuffs really makes sense, because you use cement to make blocks and sand, and also use the same cement to put on the what you call like on joining the bricks or to the blocks. But this one, it's really much okay, and very okay actually. Also, it reduces what we call like consumption of cement and sand. So let's come to this end. This one are easily available. These ones are very easily available, because this one is pure what we call like pure loam soil. You can make loam soil, but most of the people prefer to make it using what we call like ant hill, when there's a very nice ant hill. So we have what we call like look like an alluvial soil, the one that looks like reddish. So when the moment you make them, then you end up doing what you call like burning them. So these one have gone through a very hectic process, more than burning gold. You see, like the fire that used to burn gold is the same fire that can be used also to burn bricks. So like this one is not fully burnt, but this one is fully burnt. And one of the disadvantage of this kind of bricks is like while making them, you need to, they are time consuming but easily available. One thing is with me, I'm just giving you advice. One thing is you can make them anywhere, but you need to look for somebody who is really good on it, because you have to mold them what you call like the mud. So when you mold the mud well, if you make a mistake in molding mud, then it will end up breaking. But if you are good at molding better mud, then they become very nice. That's why you see this. I used to venture inside what you call like brick selling, because I used to make brick selling. I once showed you, maybe from here I'll go show you where I used to make brick selling. Make bricks, then sell them, and also build them using them, because they're easily available and cheap. But blocks, they are also good and better, because I'm the best, but sometimes they're not available here. You have to commute using transport. But look what we have here right now. It has been like let me say it, like 2 months. In a span of 2 months, we are here now, guys. Actually, it's a real definition of it's a true definition of from grass to grace. You know, for those who used to see us like struggling up and down, running for materials, making foundation, digging the what we call like tree stumps, and burning them, making charcoal. Like for those who have been checking on us, like you can just comment down below from the start up to now. For now, I wanted just to give you a big surprise tour of this amazing what we call like bungalow or mansion here in the village, rather than not even in town. It's built inside the village over here. So I'll take you in, because for now the masons are at the break. I could not make what we call like just start going in when the masons are working, because you attracted their attention and they stop even working. But the moment they stop working, like now they're actually having a lunch break, because in the morning we were rushing also to go look for other stuffs. But today now I just decided to come and also share with you. And for sure, this is how it's going. Still it's ongoing, the construction. We are from down to up. The foundation was built. You are here for the previous videos that you are seeing. Right now we did what we call like key joining. This is the key joining, and timber lumbering was still ongoing, and a lot of stuffs, you know. But yeah, hey, yani wengine wana enjoy chakula, nyinyi mmerelax. Amshakula dana senti Maria Kemora. Wewe taka mambo tamura agere kabisa gisi tamura agere achana na gisi enda mura agere imepozi tamura agere tamura agere ndio maana ni hetere na tamura agere. So guys, this is what you see on the other end. Tamura agere is a Swahili word, is a Kuria word which means go eat. You know, tamura agere is a Kuria word which means go eat. Yo korage. Nataka kuambia watu korage. Bukima. Yeah, it's one of the most. It's lunch break. You know when it's lunch break, things really go on a very nice day. So also we are doing what we call like this other end. So because it's very very what you call like, sometimes it disturbs when it will be doing what you call like fisher boards. So these ones are redone now, so that when they'll be putting on the fisher board, because still it's just slowly by slowly, you know, finishing is slowly by slowly, slowly by slowly, slowly by slowly. Yes, hi.
Hi bro,
How are you? So literally, initially, let me say initially, land was like this. You know, sorry, I was just giving you, but I'll just give you a quick tour of the house. But before that, let me just explain how everything was until you see how everything is around here, before I bring maybe True Boy in this conversation. So initially, when my brother told me that he wants to just construct a house, so he told me, okay man, I seek advice from you, maybe you can just tell me, because we have been with you growing together and checking up and down how stuffs are. So literally, not just to go anywhere just to ask, but you. So I told him it's well and good, we can just select and we see. So as he was benchmarking on the other places, he also came up and told me, man, me, I want to put my house here. And this place, remember, this place is where also I bought trees from, and mom added me some kind of trees when I was constructing my house. We used to have a house here. It was a mud house that used to burn, it used to act as a kiln of burning tobacco. Sorry, there's something that's chipping me in. That used to burn tobacco. So when mostly it was giving people hectic time to man, you want to construct this place, it's hard. And you know, it used to have trees, as you see, a lot of trees. This place used to be filled with trees, and not only trees, as heavy trees as this one. And you remember, people sometimes, there are those who can literally demoralize you by giving you things that, oh, it won't be possible, it won't be possible, because it used to have like stumps like this. You see how heavy they are. They are very 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 heavy. So there are those who actually seek advice to them, and they told, ah man, this place, at least you could have found a place where it's flat, or a place where literally it's not as having many trees as this. But with him, when he came to me, I told him, okay, it's okay, if you have decided this place, then nothing is impossible. So in a few days, we started as a joke. Trees just were cut down, others were taking the stumps down, others were digging. So we started looking for materials, you know, looking for, you know, like the first time it was very hectic, very 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 hectic, very hectic, because by that time the guy who used to supply us with materials, his car or truck got damaged. The two back tires busted, so he was really having a hectic time. So he could tell us today, so today we could, so maybe sometimes also my brother True Boy could feel like I'm not cornering, until we started going on our own looking for materials, starting with stones. We started with sand. At first they brought us fake sand, like sand, because it was kind of raining and not raining, so they brought us some kind of a sand that was not into the texture of starting for the house. So by that time, we never gave up. Actually, we kept on running up and down. It was one of the most hectic time ever, one of the most hectic time ever, if I remember very vividly. So by that time also, we could work by doing what we call like buying materials one by one. So the engineer could tell you, okay, bring me, I want five tracks of stones. When you bring 5 tracks of stones, they are swept. Then he tells you, no, we need 2 more. So there's a time also we were really upset by telling the engineer, man, if you don't want to tell us the exact price of maybe, or the exact tracks of sand that you want, or the what you call like stones that you want, it's rather you go. So he told us, because me, I'm fearing, you know, I don't want to tell you we want 12 tracks of what you call like of stones. So the better thing is me to tell you slowly by slowly, so that to motivate you, because the work of an engineer is not to to press his client, because they always understand that sometimes when you tell a client, we need 20 trucks of sand and 20 trucks of stones, the client might feel the load to an extent that I'm not going to construct. So with them, they'll always tell you, if they need 20 trucks of sand, they'll tell you 10, so that they can start and they can still motivate you. Okay, we need 2 more, we need 3 more. So by that, we also started to learn more and learn. So by that time, actually, it strengthened us mind wise and ideologically, because sometimes you could get upset, and you feel like, if I get upset also, it's just nothing, it's just senseless, doesn't make sense. And also sometimes you feel like, oh, now there's a time you could feel happy, now these 2 tracks that he has said, they are the last tracks, so you feel happy. So it has been a really mixture of what we call like a mixture of situations while constructing. And actually, construction is not easy. It's not really easy as compared to the way people mostly think, because as I've told you, there's always challenges everywhere. Sometimes you tell that the masons should come with 2 masons, you find up him coming with 3 masons, or maybe you're expecting the job to complete in 1 week, you end up spending 2 weeks or 3 weeks or more than that. And also by that time, as it was constructed, we were doing what we call like it has a septic. We really have a septic tank that is already dug over here. So for now, it's really covered to prevent most of the stuffs. You see, like now it's covered here. So mostly we really wanted to change the narratives as True Boy was. So yeah, so let me give you a 360 of this, then I'll really try to show you what's happening before the masons resume back to work. All right. Despite that, this one, guys, so let's try and see. Also, we are working on removing of 3 trams. So it's removing of really 3 trams from this side. Sometimes you have to take the glasses out so that you can really check what is really working. Side. Side. Ndio uongee Side. No hili. That's this guys.
Wakati ulivuna vitu tulikuwa tumelala.
What are you saying this?
Come on, introduce yourself.
Get out from the axe.
I meaning in Kikuria. Yeah, mwanaume atakula kwa jasho. Yaani in Kiswahili ni mwanaume atakula kwa jasho. In Kikuria no mosacha harali koroha. I understand what I just say.
And in English?
Yeah, in English I don't know.
Guys, we call him Mr. Side. Mostly
Not
sometimes.
Mr. Side.
Yeah. Mr. Daisy. Mr. Daisy.
Mr. Lewis Dayson, why you say it's Side? Side is not my name, bro.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Mr. Lewis.
Lewis Dayson. Okay, guys, my name is Lewis Dayson. You can see here, Side or Kimwaga. Side or Kimwaga. Or Mr. CJ here.
Oh, Mr. CJ. Not
Can
CJ.
call-
He always called me CJ instead of CJ. So that also had to cut this one downwards so that we can see how it's really going. Yeah, so it's almost ready.
Kuna mzima hata chini.
So this one is already karas. So it's already down. Okay, so this one has already left. It has left this one. Some takati This guy, guys, do you know this guy? Huh?
Many people know me.
All right, guys, let's try to continue from there. Yeah, so let me take you inside. Let's just take you inside so that we can give you a quick tour of the house, slowly by slowly, because now it was a form of exercise. Umesikia hiyo? Let's go in. And the house is already cool, guys. So introduce yourself, man.
Yes, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending where you are watching us from.
Yeah.
This is Mr. TB, True Boy to the right, and also with together with Mr. CJ.
Yes.
It's a fantastic day.
Yeah.
And a beautiful day that God has granted.
Absolutely.
So far, we are working hard over here in my house over here.
In the village, guys.
Yeah, in the village.
Yeah.
We don't sleep.
It's easy by easy, guys. Slowly by slowly, as we check on scene. Yeah.
Sometimes maybe someone gonna even try to reach you out.
Yeah.
But even if you are not even receiving the call,
Yeah.
you're gonna blame. But the truth is,
Yeah.
we have not that time maybe to have enough rest.
Yeah, for
Like
sure.
for example, with us here, we work till the evening. In the evening,
Yeah.
the evening is a time to music.
I was trying to just reduce a little bit. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
It's like now, for example, we are done in the evening.
Yeah.
Late evening.
For
we
sure.
have to shower and have our dinner.
Our
then
dinner,
have
to sleep, yeah,
very early in
sometime.
the morning.
To think about tomorrow again.
Yeah.
Yeah. At first.
We are trying to do everything come through.
Yeah.
All to finish my house.
Yeah, for sure.
Blessed. You see?
Slowly by slowly. Yeah.
Yeah, like for example, with me, I thought it was just a roofing.
The roofing. Yeah.
But I came to realize that it wasn't only roofing,
Yeah.
but it has a lot to do.
For sure.
Like something like plastering maybe around the house,
Around the house. Yeah.
outside. It wasn't like planned.
Yeah, for sure.
But they told me before we cannot manage to have
Fisher boats. Yeah.
before we plaster.
Yeah.
You see? So that's an additional work.
Additional work.
Then from
Yeah.
there, we decided again, instead of just plastering out,
Yeah.
we have to do that to ensure that the front porch and
Front porch. Yeah. And the back
Yeah.
porch.
is well done. So from there, then what should I do? I decided now to finish outside the house.
Outside the house. Yeah.
Then from there, now we're gonna concentrate on maybe plastering inside the house.
Yeah.
But with that, it needs a lot.
For sure.
It needs electrician. It needs plumber.
And this is a plumber also.
So with
And also
that-
it needs a designer, you know, house designer. who will tell you, okay, before we plaster it, we need to see sockets that should be this height, or the house designer, person who, like the interior designer, we call him interior designer, who will tell you, okay, this TV is not supposed to be this way, it will be there. Or the chair wasn't supposed to be there, it's supposed to be here. So mostly you have to bring also the interior designer to check on this, how everything is over the interior, but the outside, it's slowly by slowly. Also the inside, you need to be more accurate on what is being done. But of all that has been said, congratulations, man, because I know it's not easy. It's not really easy to really work at this, but at this point, but and also, you know, it's January. Well, mostly, you know, in January people spend all their money in December, and first day, that was New Year's. So but with you really managed to just you are managing to do this.
But people have to be serious.
Yeah, so
For example, why should you spend money for the December holiday? Maybe
most people do that. It's a worldwide thing that most people say.
it's worldwide,
But yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's a hectic month in January, so people are just forget that there will be a new year, so they end up.
those people who are paying school fees.
Yeah, for sure.
You know, it's not easy anyway.
Yeah.
With me, it's not easy. It's not easy, but it's just God.
Yeah, for sure,
Like
guys.
everything is God. I think you know this journey.
Yeah,
Since
for
we started, it has been like a blessing to blessing.
Yeah, I told people how we were putting off stamps. Initially, the house was with a lot of trees, as I told you. So we have big and spacious windows over here. So this is a living room. It's really spacious. It can be measured by maybe 30 plus feet or 40 feet by 15 or 17, which is a very big, combined with a dining area. You can just check on it, guys, how it is. Very spacious, and it has an echo on the other side. So it's slowly by slowly, and also we have a open kitchen, so you can take us around, man, on this side. Yeah, yeah,
But I think we've been done.
we have been doing anything around here. Yeah, it's actually it's a 3-bedroom house, right?
Yeah,
It's a 3-bedroom house with one.
Yeah. And you call it first bedroom.
Yeah, the first bedroom. It's a first bedroom.
Okay.
You can call it first bedroom because it's where here is where we have started with, because you can call it first.
First bedroom where we are. This is my mom's bedroom.
Okay.
Yeah, this is my mom's bedroom officially. She chose it. I have no option. Just
To tell her no.
Yeah. Just take it because I'm the one who asked her to choose, and she chose this one.
Yeah, because
I don't know the reason why she chose this, but she liked it so much.
maybe I might be maybe the window might be the reason, being because when you are from here, she'll be sleeping here. She can see who is actually coming from outside. And also one thing I love about this place is the moment this house is complete and the other ones will be down, now you'll be having a very big compound, actually very big. So, and also there's much of light coming in and breeze. There's a very nice breeze coming in from this side. Maybe that is the reason why she chose this side.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
But she knows the reason behind why. Because I tried to challenge her that I'll make the other room more beautiful.
More beautiful than this.
And like the bed to be there is one of the beautiful one.
Yeah.
But she said no, this is the one I like.
This is the one that she likes.
Yeah.
You know?
So this is her washroom.
Washroom, all right.
Yeah,
Very
her
nice.
washroom.
Yeah. It's a very big, spacious one. Don't look at it at the camera, guys, and say maybe it's small. No, it's very big.
Big enough, right?
Yeah, we can put 2 hands this way, so you can this one, hold this for me. It's 2 hands actually. So it's 2 hands. So maybe the moment you'll be washing yourself, you can turn. And actually, it gives room for turning and really, you know. So also we have a very nice corridor. So this is room number 2.
Yeah. Second bedroom.
Okay, 2nd bedroom.
Yeah.
Maybe it can be for the guests. Or maybe it's you to choose. You know me, I cannot just choose for you. A man should have his own front. That's what I always say. Yeah, Yeah, so as I always say, a man should have his own front, you know. Let no man choose for you. So
I'm the final decision.
Yeah,
I'm the
for
one
sure.
to decide whether this gonna be the kitchen.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Or this is gonna be this one.
yeah, absolutely.
Anyway, because we have already called it a bedroom. Nothing else. You know,
Yeah.
I'm not going to do anything because already we have washroom on it.
Yeah, for sure, yeah.
So this is my second bedroom. For it because for now
Yeah.
I might be having visitors.
Yeah.
Maybe from Kenya just to come and visit Nyabuhansi. Maybe from the world.
Yeah.
They're gonna be here for the time being.
No, they want to
But
to
this
come
one-
and check True Boy.
Yeah, but this one, what I will want to tell this my subscribers and your subscribers and your viewers and everything and everybody, this is like a family house.
Yeah.
I'm not going to have that more visitors.
Yeah, for
because
sure.
Inside here, I'll have my mom.
Yeah.
And I must pay that respect.
Absolutely,
You see, maybe one day, God willing, that's why you can see like Ayamaro, for example,
Yeah.
when he built that his house.
Yeah.
He respected it because it was his parents' house. You see?
Yeah, for sure.
So with me, it's mine, yes, but I have to have that much respect.
Yeah.
Because there are those people who they have different behaviors.
Yeah.
There are those who are born town. We
Yeah.
call them those people who are born in town.
Yeah.
They might come
They
while
want-
they are.
Skirts are there.
Yeah, and you know with my mom.
Yeah, she's not used to that.
Yeah, she has never seen this. So she think, oh, my God, what's wrong with my
She's
mom?
naked. She runs with the to wrap her.
Yeah, you see? But now that's why the reason why I will not be I'm not jealous or not envy. Like I don't want visitors no.
Yeah.
But whenever you come, I'll accept you. This one will be my kids' bedroom.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, great, man. Yeah, man. Hey.
I'll have my kids.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is the
Washroom.
washroom of that bedroom,
Oh,
second bedroom.
nice.
Yeah.
That's really inspirational and very great. Yeah, so on this other end also we are walking towards the other side. We have a kitchen over here.
This is the kitchen.
Wow, man.
This is our kitchen.
Yeah.
Where we'll be cooking our food.
Oh, very great. You know the kitchen is so spacious, like a living room.
Are you sure?
Yeah, man. So big and huge. You know.
For example, you might have visitors, and you want maybe your food to be ready as fast as possible.
Possible, yeah.
You can have even like 3 people who are cooking.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe someone cooking ugali,
Yeah.
someone's cooking here pilau,
Beef.
someone's cooking here another different thing.
Okay.
So instead, it must be special. enough.
Absolutely, man. Very nice and great. And also we have a pantry there, a small pantry, and also this side I won't show you much. This is like a small place where we keep on maybe maize or bananas before we take them to the kitchen. You know, actually when this house was just by a start, we used to say it's small. When the walls were up, we could stand up. You could also say, hey, the rooms are small. Wait until it's roofed. Now the moment when it's roofed, it looks very big and very nice. Yeah.
Now here, whenever now maybe somebody will be coming to cook, when she will be like this, she's able to see avocados
Avocado can be useful.
there. Yeah, now we need avocado for our maybe our meal.
Yeah, we need.
Oh, we have papayas there. It
Okay.
has ripened. All we need is so I thank God for this plan because
Yes.
now after the kitchen,
You can go
we have
actually.
a
Yeah.
store, and you can even
Kitchen garden. Yes. Nice, man. Kudos for that. Kurabitan. Yeah, so let's see. Okay. So this is the kitchen, guys. So spacious. Actually, it can give you time, or maybe for the future wife will be here. She'll be able to check on other stuffs.
for sure.
Yeah.
And this is now our small room here.
Okay.
For our study room.
Okay.
I personally I need to study.
Okay. About
want-
life.
Yeah, about life.
Yeah.
Even if like each and every day, we have to learn new things.
Absolutely.
So I'll be coming here if I want I research. Like I want to do this. How can someone travel to US? I can come here.
Okay.
Dun.
You are done.
I'm done.
Tan, tan, tan.
Yeah.
What is in tan 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 tan? So you are just trying to imitate the keyboards.
The keyboard, those keyboards.
Tan 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 tan. You are gone.
And those, Yeah.
Okay.
Tan, tan, tan.
Dun, dun, dun. So it's actually a study or a research room.
Yeah, this
Over
is
here.
our study room.
Wow, man, it's a nice, great area.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man.
And now here is our final room. This is the third bedroom.
Wow.
We call it.
You see there. Yeah. Yeah. So this
This
is
is the Lewis basement.
Lewis Days one.
Uh,
Okay.
so this is now our master bedroom. Finalizing,
Finalizing, yeah.
like the rooms, all the rooms.
Yeah.
Yeah. And there is a lot of
There's a lot of light.
because that
We haven't yet finished the. Yeah.
we haven't yet finished the roofing.
Yeah.
But tomorrow I think. Oh, tomorrow is on a Sunday.
I think by next week
Monday.
will be done. Yeah.
Monday we are going to finish it.
Yeah.
And concentrate on other stuff.
Okay.
And I thank God because all the rooms now are dry.
Yeah.
Like it's not like before because I was like, when we roof the house while not yet dry, it's gonna be something else. But
Dampness. Yeah.
God is great.
Absolutely, man.
Yes.
One thing I love is like it. Also, one thing is like I love it has more windows, which actually allows more light from this side. From this side, you can see. From down there, also you can see how it's really great. Man, it's a very nice area. Wow. So this actually the spacious what we call like walk-in closet. Oh, it's nice, and also it has a very nice window also. When you'll be dressing up, you can see who is coming. Maybe if you are to go for a walk, you just come and pick and say, oh man, somebody's honking outside there. Let's go. No, you see, who is that? Oh, my workmate. So you take your jacket or your lab coat, you rush from
Shoes
this.
and everything.
Shoes, you
Or
run.
even at that time, I'm sure I'll have my Mercedes.
Yeah. Your V8.
So, maybe my driver.
We are late.
Yeah, wait.
Okay. Yeah, God willing, actually. Yeah.
Yeah, that's how it is. Now this is the washroom.
Oh, the washroom also is spacious. Yeah.
And I love it anyway. And I thank God because now I think it's going to be modern.
Yeah.
In a modern way.
Yeah, I see also.
Why, like everything now is
Fantastic.
it's fantastic.
I see they've been doing what we call like wall chasing for the piping. Yeah.
They're all kissing.
Yeah, wall chasing.
Those who are for the shower.
Yeah.
Because they had done this for the shower,
Yeah.
but I told them no.
No, yeah, it should be there.
It has to be somewhere else.
Yeah,
over
yeah.
here. Now here, because it wasn't going to be okay. Because
Can
we
be
have
the toilet here.
So
The toilet should be dry. Yeah.
Yeah. So instead, we have to keep it here.
Absolutely.
So I'll be like, when I'll be washing myself here, it will, the toilet will be dry.
Actually. So for me, you sit. Yeah. Then you finish one. Let me just go take shower from this side. Man, Kurabitano again, bro.
Yeah, thank you so
We
much.
give thanks to Almighty God because this has been really actually inspirational. Also, it's really motivating because when you wake up in the morning and you see, oh man, God, this is where I came from. And this is actually where I am right now. We give much thanks to Almighty God. So for the last words, man, before we end this video.
For my last word, I thank you all for supporting both of us.
Yeah.
All of us, like we needed your support.
Absolutely.
And we still need your support
For sure.
by watching, subscribing.
Yeah.
Like Mr. CJ, road to 30k subscribers.
Absolutely, yeah.
And with the Mr. True Boy, 5,000 subscribers.
Yeah, guys.
So whenever you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Let us grow and let's enjoy our best work back in the village.
For sure.
Whenever you are doing so, you are motivating us and
True story.
will make us very strong.
Yeah.
That we can. You see?
Absolutely. Yes, we
Like-
can. Yeah.
Like yes, we can.
Yeah.
I love Obama.
Yeah. Yes, we can.
Yes, we can. You see, and he did anyway.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, he did. He did his best. So for us also, through you, we can.
Yes, we
Very
can.
strong. You see.
Yeah.
We come up strong. Like most of you have been motivating me. For
sure.
Oh, yeah, that's great work. Oh,
Keep up.
please keep up. And when I hear I keep up, now I do like this.
Yeah.
Keep it up.
You keep
Until-
pushing, you know.
You know, imagine from here.
Yeah.
When they tell me keep up, I put this.
Second one, yeah. When you
Keep
say
it up.
a third one, another one.
Imagine
When they
now.
say pull up your socks,
Pull up my socks.
Hey.
Now I'm pulling up my socks.
pull up, man, pull up.
It's not this one.
Hey.
It's the pillars.
Hey,
when,
pull up.
when they tell you pull up,
Pull up the socks.
now you raise the pillar.
The pillar
with the
upward.
concrete.
Absolutely.
Till up. And now here they are finally
Up there, the
building
roof.
house.
Yeah.
And let God be called God.
Yeah.
And thank you, God, for the house. Blessed.
Absolutely, man.
Yeah.
Congratulations, and also we give much thanks to Almighty God for this great time. And thank you so much for also allowing for us to take a quick tour, so that we can also inspire those who are willing maybe to construct and also to maybe come back home and say, man, I want to go build in my own village. We give much thanks, guys. So let me take you back home. We see what we can do a little bit, then we'll be ending a video right there. All right, see you. Yeah, so guys, I just decided to come back home because the merchants have been paid. So just come and check how everything is around in this our beautiful homestead over here in Kenya, Africa. And also it's a weekend. Manu, wanna come and say hi? Also it's a weekend, and my young brother is here, Manu Claude, because he went to school and came back. So yeah, introduce yourself. Hey, long time.
Yeah, long time.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Hey, now the adolescence is coming.
It was there from
It
the
was
time.
there. Now you have started to grow. No more being a kid. Okay. Sorry guys, sometimes you have to talk man to man, you know.
Yeah.
Because
Guys, come back to Claude's YouTube channel. So you're there. Consider subscribing, liking, sharing Claude's video. My name is Manu Claude. I'm a YouTuber, a small YouTuber in Yambuhansi. So I started a YouTube channel like from 2022 up to this time. So
2023 or 2024?
no, 2023.
Oh, 2023. All right. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I started that time, guys, and I wanna say thank you so much for welcoming back to Claude's YouTube channel. Consider subscribing there, liking, sharing. My name is Man Cloud. Check
Show
me
them your
out.
channel. How is it doing? For now you're running
By now
towards.
by now I'm not uploading.
Okay,
that
I know
much.
you're not uploading because of the school in which you have to do so. But yeah, guys, for now he's actually at 1307. Manu Cloud, a Freestar Shaban. He's also a content creator. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. So Manu Cloud, show him some love, guys. He's on the road to 2K and also watch time. So yeah, keep up the good work.
Yes.
And keep up the everything that is going on in a nice way. All right.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we're just doing some thorough cleaning, and to keep the homestead clean, as you see, always. And we really appreciate your love and support. So I want to say thank you so much, guys, for always coming back to watch my videos, and of course subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. And I really appreciate your love and support. Be blessed all, and bye bye, guys. See you. Bye.